Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw the new big fight scene of Godzilla vs. Kong. Now, I've been trying to draw this one for quite a while and I've been having a lot of trouble. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to sketch this out in pencil first, and then after I have it in pencil, I'll show you guys how to draw this. So I'm going to go ahead and do this in pencil first. Okay, so I just wanted to sketch that out really quickly so that we could have something to just kind of go off of, and it just makes it a little bit easier on me when I'm trying to draw this. So one of the first things we want to do is we want to start with Kong's eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little kind of circle shape like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of goes above it like this, kind of so it looks a little angry. And then I'm going to curve this around just into his eye ridge or his eyebrow ridge. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes down. Little line is just going to kind of bump out like this for the nose. Draw a little line, it's just going to kind of curve across. It's just going to come down like this. And I'm going to go out like that. Then I'm going to bring this right back for the mouth. I'm going to add kind of like a zigzag line down here for where the chin is going to be. And part of his beard. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and then kind of curve to here. Next, you want to draw kind of like an oval shape right there for the ear. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up. I'm going to add some little pointy lines on here just to make it look kind of furry. And then it's going to just kind of curve into here. We're going to draw a line that's just going to come back to here. Then starting here, I'm going to make a big line, just kind of curves right across to here. And then another one right here to show this arm that's going to be over here. I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down and curves around. Another line right down here, and then I'm going to take this line, it's just going to go down here. I'm going to curve this around, draw another one that goes down and over. One more here, and then one more that just goes right to here with a little curved line. I'm going to add a little curved line right there just to show where part of the neck is. And then we're going to draw a line that goes out and then in for his chest. I have another little line that just kind of curves around here. And a little line right up there. Next, I'm going to make just a little kind of furry line that goes out and it's going to come in for his body. Going to make a little line that just kind of goes out. We'll add a few little fur marks for some texture. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around and come back for a toe. I'm going to do another one right here. And then one more right there. I'm going to go over. I'm going to draw this line up, make it kind of furry, go right to about there. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this line around, make it a little furry, and then come up to here. Then we're going to make a little line, it's just going to go down. It's going to go out and then come straight down for his other leg, kind of like he's getting ready to punch Godzilla, so he's kind of throwing his force with his body. We're going to draw a line that's going to curve out to here. Draw a line that goes down and around. Another one's going to curve down around, and then one more, and then I'm going to bring it right up to here. I'm also going to put one more toe right here. Now, up here, we want to draw the hand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right across the top of the eye, draw a line that goes down at an angle. It's going to curve like this and come around. We're going to go up and down, a little bump over here, and then one right there. The little line is going to curve around, and it's going to come across like this. When it goes out and then down like this, and then one more right here. And we'll just draw a little line right there. Then I want to draw a little fang right there on Kong's mouth, and then I'll put just a couple small teeth right here. Little line down here for his tongue. And then I'm going to add just a couple little lines right underneath here to kind of show where his nose is going to be. And then I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve in along the side of his face. And then I'm just going to bring this down here to like where his chin would be, because you know this is more of like a skin material here, or skin part, and this is going to be where he's really furry. Now, let's come over here and let's work on Godzilla's face. So I'm going to start right up here first, and we're just going to draw a little line that goes down and then up for his eyebrow. Little line that goes down and curves around, form his eye. Draw a little line that goes up and over, and we're just going to continue this over and go down. Little line over, and I'm going to draw his face. It's just going to go up. It's going to kind of curve around. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and just kind of curve it down, just to kind of show his mouth is, or his head's kind of tilted just a little bit. I'm going to curve this down to here. Draw a line. It's just going to go down here. I'm going to go down, over, and then we're just going to curve this up into his jaw. Little curved line by his mouth. Little line that just goes down and back for his tongue. And I want to add some sharp teeth in here. Little line that goes down, and then some more sharp teeth on this side, and then some sharp teeth right along here. Then I'm going to add two little dots for some nostrils. And then a little line is just going to go right across here for his face. Then I'm just going to continue this line down a little bit. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go in and then out a little bit for his neck. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes out and down for his chest. Right here we're going to have his arm, so I'm going to make a line that's going to curve. And then I want another one that's going to go down, and then it's going to come over. But a little line that's going to curve and then come out like this. We're going to make a little line that goes up and down for kind of like where his thumb would be. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down, and it's going to curve back. One that's going to go out and then down. And then one more that's going to go down, and it's going to come back around here. Then I'm just going to continue this line down, and I'm going to curve it right to about there. Then I want to draw this leg, so I'm going to just curve this line. It's going to come into here, then it's going to go out and then down. He's at kind of like an odd angle. This leg is so big, I'm just going to curve this back to here, and then go out and then down here. I'm going to draw one toe here, and then one right here. Then I'm just going to continue this down. Then I want to make this leg. So this leg is going to come out. I'm just going to go out, and then I'm going to go down here. Draw a little leg, a little claw that goes down and comes back. Make another one here. Draw this leg over. You're going to have a little claw right here. And draw this line up. I'm going to curve it up and then bring it back over to here. Now I'm just going to make some like little broken lines coming down here. And then I'm going to add a few little curved lines right along there for where his tail is going to be. I'm going to add some more kind of broken lines right along here. Then I'm going to curve up and down. And then we just want to bring this all the way back down to here. I'll add a few more little extra lines right there. Now we want to put in Godzilla's spikes or dorsal fins, whatever you want to call them. So we want to start off with some small ones. I'm going to begin here and just make some of these little pointed lines. I like to make some small ones, then let them get bigger and pointier as they go up. You can make them come out too a little bit. Some of them can be pretty tall. Some of them have some nice curves to them as well, so I'm going to add a few little curves onto these. Just kind of design them however you want to. Just the biggest thing is there's always going to be at least some type of point at the top that's really big. I'm going to add some over here too that are kind of split off as well. And then I'm just going to keep adding these. I'm going to put some on the tail as well. And then he's also going to have a bunch behind here too. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some spikes behind all these dorsal fins as well. Put some more on the tail too. And there's also going to be some smaller ones along the front as well. So I'm just going to add some small ones along here too in the front. And once we're done with this, then it's time to come in here and add all of those different little details. And there's going to be a lot of details. So I'm going to move a little bit faster through this part. So if you need to catch up or if I'm going too fast, just make sure you guys hit the pause button, and that way you can slow down and catch up with me. So I'm going to start with Godzilla, and I'm going to begin working on some of his details. Okay, so let's come in here and add some of our different details. I'm going to start with Godzilla, and I'm going to add some little curved lines right along the neck here. I'm going to add just some little lines right along the mouth. I'm going to add just some little kind of curved lines coming along here for some detail. I'm going to add just a couple little detail lines right along here and some on his face. I'm going to add just some little kind of broken lines that go right across his arms. This is just going to help make it look a little bit more rounder. Add a few little lines around here, a couple of lines coming down. We'll add some little lines onto his claws with some extra lines around there. Going to add a little broken line right down here, and Godzilla has these kind of big plates on his stomach and chest. So I'm just going to add some of these curved lines along here for these plates. Add some extra little lines going around here just to make them look a little more realistic. I'm going to add some curved lines right around his legs. Add a little curved line kind of right where the knee would be. And I'm just making some broken lines around here. And I'm just going to add these broken lines all over his leg here. And this is just going to add some little detail lines all around here. I'm going to add some curved lines where his toes are going to be. And the claws on his toes will be. And then some extra little lines kind of right around here too. I'm going to add some nice little lines coming down here and then right around his body as well. These are all just extra little details that you can add into here. I'm going to make some lines going down his tail. And some broken lines right along here. And some extra details here. We're going to add curved lines on his feet for some of the claws. And then we'll do some more of these broken curved lines onto his leg. I'm not doing anything crazy or super fancy in here, just kind of adding lots of little extra lines. And we'll put some things right around here. If you want to, you can add an extra little arm that just kind of curves down here for another one of Godzilla's hands. Put some claws on here. And then you can always come in and add extra little details onto all of his spikes or dorsal fins. Just kind of put them all over here. Then let's go on to Kong. Kong's a little bit harder to do just because he doesn't have all these spikes and extra lines, and he's actually pretty furry, and it's hard to do a lot of fur lines with a marker. So I like to just do the fur lines with my markers when I'm coloring instead of just a plain black marker. I am going to add just a few little broken lines right around here, a couple of extra lines. We'll add a few lines right around his eye, kind of right around his lips. Going to add just some curved lines here. And maybe a few lines just kind of right around some parts of his face, a little detail in the ear. Going to add just some extra little lines right around here. I'm going to add just kind of like a zigzag line here where it just kind of shows where here's skin and then here's where the fur is. Maybe just add some few little lines in some different areas. Kind of do the same thing right around the feet. Some zigzag lines just to show where there's going to be some more fur. Going to add a few extra lines onto his toes. And a few little lines around here. Give Godzilla his pupil. Give Kong a little tiny pupil too. Can add some extra lines for his knuckles and everything. Couple of lines right around here, and you can add some extra details all over the place. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Godzilla versus Kong. Now I'm sorry this was a longer video, but there's a lot of details in here. We had two really big titans to draw. I actually had to go with some bigger paper and I had to sketch it out first. But here you go. I hope you guys enjoy this. Please let me know if you guys want to see some more Titan battles and some different things. I'm always looking for some different ideas. And if I can't always get to them, don't worry, guys, because I'm always trying to look at your ideas and see what you guys come up with. So I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.